iPhone apps not downloading solved. Now, if you're opening up your app store, you've been trying to download a certain app, but it's not downloading. It's giving you some kind of error, like maybe you need to verify Apple ID or it's not downloading at all. We'll start with the basic to the advanced fixes. First off, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second up, sometimes your Apple ID could not be verified. So you have to verify your Apple ID in this case. What you have to do is, for that, simply open up settings, tap on your Apple ID profile from the top. Once you're here, you will see whether you want to verify your email and so on. So if you see the verify button here, make sure you do that. Second up, you can go to this option called media and purchases, go to view account over here. Once you come here, you'll be able to see a couple of options in this case. So maybe just like your billing addresses, your Apple account and so on. What you want to do is you can simply go to your Apple ID and make sure you do that. You can go to subscriptions and make sure that you go ahead and enable those options. You can also try to change the country or region in that case. And after that, the application will begin downloading. Now, sometimes it could also be that on your App Store, the application will not download just because you tap the download button. Sometimes you might have to verify using your Face ID if you have enabled your Face ID or your Apple ID password. So once you've done that, the application will begin downloading on your iPhone. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.